Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a 50-year-old driveway just saturated with red dirt, and we want to get it off of there. Let's get the pressure washer hooked up and get moving. So I'm using my gas pressure washer today with a pressure washing surface cleaner. Man, this thing just works awesome. Super clean, it's not spraying all over your legs and just spreading dirt everywhere. Kind of reminds me of the iRobot, the Roomba that does the vacuuming in the house, but unfortunately I'm the robot here moving the machine around. But you can see it's really cutting through that dirt, man. I'm just using straight water through the pressure washer, no chemicals, because I don't want any of this stuff running into the ocean. So there's not much more to say. Let's just see what happens. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to help support the channel and enjoy the show. If needed, pop a 20-degree nozzle on and just spray the area clear. Might as well hit these moss rock walls and get them all cleaned up while I'm at it. So here's a look at this mess before, all that baked red dirt into the concrete. And after. Admittedly, this is 50-year-old driveway, so we didn't expect it to be perfect, but it is clean. Thanks for sticking around all the way to the end. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other videos on the channel. There's some pretty neat stuff on there too. So we'll see you on the next one.